In this video we will see two very important concepts. One is controllability and another one is observability. We'll see what these two concepts are. So controllability. Controllability is defined as the ability of a control system to reach a definite state from a fixed initial state in a finite time. Suppose I have a state x1 and this state reaches to state x1 dash. Okay, so this transition happens. This transition should happen in a finite time. This is your initial state and this is your final state. So this transition between your initial state and final state should actually happen in a finite time. If this can happen, then we can say that the system x dot is equal to ax plus bu, y is equal to cx plus du. This is controllable. So now we will see how to check whether it is controllable or not. Now, how to check whether a system is controllable or not? What do we do? I'm defining a matrix phi C as B, AB, A square B, A cube B, right? A power n minus 1 into B. I'm defining a matrix like this. If this is mod of is 0, then not controllable. And if mod of this is not equal to 0, this means, so this is how you define it. Actually what happens is, for a matrix A, okay, for a matrix A, rank of a matrix for a matrix A, if mod A is equal to 0, comma, then rank of the matrix is less than n. What is n? Suppose I have a 2 by 2 matrix, so therefore n is equal to 2. If I have a 3 by 3 matrix, then n is equal to 3. So if suppose for this matrix, suppose I have 1 2 3 4, suppose if I have a matrix like this and find this, suppose A, and if I find determinant of A is what? 4 minus 6 is a minus 2. So is what? Is not equal to 0. Is not equal to 0, right? So this will be so the rank of this matrix will be 2. Rank is equal to 2. But on the other side, if this would have been 0, then the rank would have been less than 2. Okay, if rank would have been 0, if then rank of A, this is how you define right rank of A, would have been less than n. For 2 by 2 matrix, n is 2, and these are all square matrix, right? For 3 by 3 matrix, n is 3. These are for what? For square matrix. So I hope this is understood, that there is something called as Kalman's test, which is actually used to tell whether it is controllable or not. So what happens is, you find this matrix. We will do an example, then this thing will become very clear. So first of all, you define this matrix, and then you find determinant of this matrix. If the determinant of this matrix is 0, then it is not controllable. Why it is not controllable is, when if the determinant is 0, what happens is the rank of this matrix is less than n. That is why this, and if the determinant is not equal to 0, then it is controllable. So that is how it is. Now we will see an example to make things clear. Now suppose, let us solve this question. Now suppose x dot is equal to 2 0 minus 1 1 ax plus b 1 minus 1 u y is equal to 1 1 x. Okay, so this is what the state space equation given to us. States. So from here what do we now know? A is 2 0 minus 1 1, b is equal to 1 minus 1. So what do we do? QC is equal to B AB. Why I am not writing? Because it is just a 2 by 2 matrix, right? So if I write B, it is so I have to form now QC is equal to 1 minus 1. I have to find AB. AB is 2 0 minus 1 1 into 1 minus 1. Thing to understand is this is a 2 by 2 matrix. This is 2 cross 1 matrix. So the output will be what? Output will be what? 2 cross 1. Always write like this. This is a 2 by 2 and this is 2 by 1. You remove, if means you can make a circle like this and the output is this. Okay, so 2 by 1 matrix. So what is the output? So we know that it will have 2 rows and 1 column. Now multiply this. What will be the thing? 2 plus 0 and this will be minus 1. Minus 1 minus 1. So this is will not 2 minus 2. So now 1 so AB is what? 1 minus 1 and 2 minus 2. This is our QC matrix. Now what is determinant? Determinant of this is minus 2 plus 2 is what? 0. Therefore not controllable. So what will happen is that so here it is like QC is a 2 cross 2 matrix. So n is equal to 2. So as det of QC is equal to 0, rank of QC will be less than n. Okay, this is the story behind it, therefore not controllable. This is a very important concept, and this will be definitely asked in as one of the questions in, it's not this problem but this concept. So what we have basically done is you have been given a state equation x dot is equal to ax plus bu, y is equal to cx plus dcu. This is what the state space equation is. Now from this what have we understood? That A is this, B is this. Okay, now what our intention is? Our intention is to find this matrix, right? QC from the Kalman's equation, BAB. Why only this? There were many terms, right? BAB, A square, B, A cube, B, A power n minus 1 into B. Because this is only a 2 by 2 matrix, so we will only take 2 terms. Now B is what? 1 minus 1. This I have written directly here. Now AB, I have to find AB, right? So I am multiplying it, A into B. Now see, A is what? 2 by 2 matrix and B is what? 2 by 1 matrix. So what will the resultant? This thing, we remove these two and then 2 cross 1 is my resultant. This will be the dimension. Now multiply it. So this will be like when you multiply these two, the answer will be 2 minus 2, right? So this I have written here. So QC is 1 minus 1, 2 minus 2. Now you find determinant of this. Determinant is 0. So as we earlier also saw that if the determinant of QC is equal to 0, then it will not be controllable. Now definition of observability. Okay, a system is said to be observable if it is possible to identify the initial state of the system by observing the output of the system over a finite amount of time. Suppose I have a system and we are observing the output of the system now for a finite time. So I have a system and I have been observing the output of the system for a finite time. If by observing this, if I am able to estimate the input, then I will say that the system is observable. The how to find, okay, in terms of suppose they have something like x dot is equal to ax plus bu and y is equal to cx plus du. Okay, now how do I find whether it is observable or not? For this also we have one small equation just like controllability. We will see how it is. To know whether it is observability. So to know whether it is observability or not, so what do we do? There is a metric we have to find, C transpose, A transpose, C transpose, A transpose square, C transpose, like that it goes. Okay, so we have to first of all form a matrix like this. If same is equal to 0, then not observable, and if is not equal to 0, then observable. So this is the thing, and the concept is this, that when it is 0, right, then the rank of q0 becomes less than n, then it is basically not observable. That is the funda. And what is n? For 2 cross 2 matrix, n is equal to 2. For 3 cross 3 matrix, n is equal to 3. So basically these two are what? Square matrices. I hope this is understood. We'll solve the problem and then we'll have more understanding. Now suppose if I have the same state equation, that x dot is equal to 2 0 minus 1 1 x plus 1 minus 1 u, y is equal to 1 1 x. So what is our q0? C transpose, A transpose, C transpose. Ours is only a 2 by 2 matrix, that's why we will take only two terms. Okay, so what is our A? A is equal to 2 0 minus 1 1. Okay, this was the question. What is B? B is equal to 1 minus 1. What is our C? Is equal to 1 1. So q0 is what? C transpose, A transpose, C transpose. Now what do we do? C transpose is 1 1. Okay, now I have to find A transpose, C transpose. A transpose, what is A? Transpose of A is what? Interchange rows and columns. So A transpose is equal to 2 0 minus 1 1. A transpose and into C transpose. C transpose is 1 1. Correct, right? Multiply. This is what? 2 by 2 and this is 2 by 1. So like this we do. The resultant output is what? 2 by 1. So what is the value? 2 minus 1 and this one 1. Okay, so this is 1 1. So A transpose C transpose is 1 1. Now you find det. This is q0. Now determinant of q0 is what? 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore as is equal to 0 not observable, as rank of q0 will be less than n, where n is equal to 2. I hope this is understood. So as a part of conclusion, first of all, this concept is very important. What is this? Control and observability. What do you do? QC is P AB A square B, like this. QO is what? C transpose A transpose C transpose A transpose square C transpose, like that it goes. For 2 by 2 matrix, it is like B AB. You have to form this matrix. Similarly for this, what you do? C transpose A transpose C transpose. You have to form this matrix. Now the concept is, if mod of QC or mod of QO is equal to 0, then what happens is not controllable or observable. and all q naught is not equal to 0, then observable, fully observable or controllable. You remove fully, this is not required now, it is observable or controllable. I hope this is well understood. This is a very important concept, and I hope that questions from this topic will be definitely asked.